For an effective, versatile cleaner and sanitizer, State's F-362 No Rinse Sanitizer is the perfect option for your facility. F-362 is a phosphate-free formula that provides effective cleaning, deodorization, sanitization, and disinfection on any hard surface. It helps protect against hazards like mold and mildew, and many bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal activities. To use F-362, apply to the desired area with a mop, cloth, sponge, hand pump trigger sprayer, or low-pressure coarse sprayer. Thoroughly wet the desired surface and scrub as necessary. This product can be diluted at 2 ounces per gallon of water or applied full strength. F-362 is perfect for use in medical facilities, food processing plants, food service establishments, lodging establishments, athletic facilities, and many more. Clean, deodorize, sanitize, and disinfect your hard surfaces with F-362 No Rinse Sanitizer. Another quality product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.